Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. Greetings, Galactic Earth Angelics of the 144. I am Paul White Gold Eagle from PrimeDisclosure.com. We have a quick update for you today with these intense energies coming in. Happy Wodens Day, where the word Wednesday comes from, the Norse god Odin, and the god of Rome, the Roman god Mercury, connected to Mars. Both Odin, Mercury, both gods that guide souls after death. And of course today, connected with the energy of Mercury, Mercury stations direct, so everything is going into acceleration mode. Direct connection, the acceleration of timelines into your visions, your dreams, your goals. So really feel into this energy. The massive shift happened through this 22/2/22 portal. Tomorrow we have Thor's Day, after Thor, or Thor's Dag, the day of thunder. Thunder beings with us, thunder, lightning, shaking the earth, shaking the old foundations as the old makes way for the new earth. We had many powerful energetics coming in. Here's the Schumann charts. We had these massive beams of white light on the charts, 27 hertz, 30 hertz, 16 hertz, a massive blast at 37 hertz, synchronizing with our code of 37 into 73, heaven on earth. The mirror, the mind mirrors the physical with the non-physical, emptiness with form and form with emptiness. We also had a very powerful activation on Pachamama. We had 132 M1.5 or greater, most powerful, a massive 6.5, Peru, South America, Kundalini, Pachamama of the Andes Mountains, the Incan Empire. We have Machu Picchu down here. This was in the north, close to, right on the border with Ecuador, the Amazon, the Amazonian basin. Here's the Andes Mountains, home of our sacred condors, and this was at 1558 UTC, 4.455, 4455, latitude 76.94, longitude, so you can see the equator here, 0 point, just south, 4.5 degrees south of the equator. We had a trinity of activations here flowing up the spine. The new Lemuria, 4-4, Argentina. This is all Andes Mountains. We see this. This is the divine feminine, the rainbow serpent, Himalayan divine masculine range. This is the old Kundalini of earth flow through the Himalayan, shifted to Andes Mountains after World War II. Then we had this activation, Chile on the border with Bolivia, 4-0, then this most powerful 6-5. You can see also over here across the ocean, this very powerful sacred portal we talk a lot about. As you can see here in the north, Altai Mountains, most sacred mountains of Mongolia, Himalayan, most sacred mountains of India, Tibet, China. These are all connected. This at one time was the Mongolian Empire, and Mongolian shamanism, part of our lineage, Sifu, part of the Blue Wolf clan. So this very sacred land, very special. In the portal here, we have the Altai Mountains, Himalayan, create this big sphere, this circle. I've showed this in the past. This creates the yin-yang, and our most sacred lineage, most sacred mountains of China, Kunlun. You see it make this S. Create the yin-yang. Most of you know this symbol. For those that don't, we'll show you real quick. This is a fancy version, yin-yang. You could see the S, the sine wave. And you can see here's a mini sine wave, and then the big sine wave that creates separation. Living in sin meant being separate, but it was part of the experience of duality. Here's the traditional. You either see through time and through history black and white, the black yin, feminine, water, the white yang, masculine, fire. So you either see black, white, or blue and red. The blue, the water, red, fire. In the Taoist arts, in the martial arts of China, we say Kan and Li. Kan, K-A-N, water. Li, L-I, fire. Fire and water, yin and yang, masculine, feminine. So you can see this creates the yin-yang here through China. And the Tibet, you see the dark, here this would be the black, the yin of Tibet, the sacred feminine, and here the white. This was part of Mongolia, China, Kazakhstan, which in the past, all part of the Mongolian Empire, and then Kunlun Mountain. We zoom in here, see Kunlun, K-U-N-L-U-N. We say the land of the immortals. The Taoist masters say when Lao Tzu, the scribe, the sage of the Tao Te Ching, which is sacred text of the Taoist lineage, we say when Lao Tzu attained immortality, he ascended Kunlun Mountain. You could see, I talk about this a lot because it's a very special portal. It's a very sacred land, sacred people, sacred traditions. One of our lineages, this one I've taught many years. So we have Tian Shan, Tian, celestial, Shan mean mountain, S-A-N in Chinese. So this is a trident, the Kunlun, Tian Shan, Himalayan here in the south that separates India from ancient Tibet, which they call China now after it was been occupied for many years. There they come through since the 60s. The three mountains, the Trident, the Trinity, the sacred portal here, it's this whole area, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Stan, S-T-A-N, ancient Persian word for the land, sacred land. So this portal here, we receive activations almost every day, 202 kilometer depth, 4.9, 13 divine goddess. Then we had this one also, Afghanistan in the north, 4.8, another 12 code of divine feminine. This is the water path, the Kunlun, the divine feminine. So we're receiving many activations, many powerful transformations through this great awakening through the next 21 days. Or we have 19 days now to the 22nd. Another very powerful. Today is the 3rd. Yesterday was the 22 portal. Very powerful. Massive energies flowing in. And we're really feeling this in many ways. We have the 3 Dantians connected to the Trinity. The threefold flame within as they activate through the Sacred Heart Center, lighting up the grids, both internally and externally. Dragon nations with us now, assisting us, guiding us through these unprecedented times. We say the unknown, the Nawal. The tonal is the known, the physical, the Nawal, the unphysical. Then we have the great mystery, or what we say, the unborn mind of Buddha, or the unknowable. It is our true nature, our true self, which is coming through the Christ consciousness, cosmic consciousness. So let us know in the comments below what you're experiencing, if you're feeling these energies, what your visions, your dreams. And if you can, please share this video with your teams and tribes all over this realm. Have a most beautiful and blessed Wodens Day. If you'd like to support us in our work and mission, you make a pledge or donation at egolovecondor.com. Have a most beautiful, blessed, awakening journey. The eagle and the condor love you all. Namaste.